Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vanessa Choi, your AI marketing strategist. So in the past couple of days, there's so much noise in the AI world with the new features from Canva and also the new version from Claude. So today I am going to show you something really interesting and just a bit of fun and also related to our day-to-day life. Without further ado, let's dive in. As you can see my screen here, it's a weekly grocery shopping list. So every week I need to do the grocery shopping. So sometimes before you go to the supermarket, I will written out a list. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I forget. So when you at the grocery shop, it's always standing there. I don't know what to get. Did I miss something? And when you get home, of course, you know that you have missed something. So just for fun and also I really need a list so that I can actually use it on my phone. And now with this one, I actually give the same prompt for to both Lovable and also Canva. So now Canva, you can actually develop like a mini app as well. So this one is actually on Lovable. I am actually giving the same prompt. What was the prompt? Design an interactive shopping list builder for a weekly grocery shopping list. In a light color mode, can select a date on top of the app. The list item can be add, remove, or take off. Can include price for each item that people can manually input. Can add the item first and then add the pricing. Add some pattern on the app to make it fun to use. So I don't want like a boring page. So this is what Lovable give me. And you can see here, you can pick a date. Let's say not today, I'll do tomorrow. And then what I want to get, just an example, I want to get eggs but I don't know the price yet until I actually in the supermarket look at the pricing. Then I can add the pricing after. One radish, okay, and I will want put maybe 12 cans like that. Okay. And after, let's say if I'm in the supermarket now, I can actually type in, let's say for $10, it's showing $10. And if I put, let's say $3 or 3.99, nine, whatever. And then, and okay, two. All right. Listen. Okay. And then you can see here, it's actually add up the total. It is so handy. So before I went into checkout, then I know how much I'm going to pay. If I want to get like a voucher or something like that, I can do that and I can take it off. Okay. If it's take off, that means that it's in the basket. So I take that off. Okay. Take that off. If I decided not to get it, I can cancel it. And once you cancel, the price came off, which is really good. And the good thing is you can actually use this on the mobile as long as you've got the link. You save the tab, like you input the link once, you save it on your mobile tab. And then every time when you go to supermarket, then you can actually use this app. It doesn't limit it to the grocery shopping. If you want to add like other shopping, like clothes or anything, doable. Okay. And then next one, I'm going to show you what it looks like in Canva. Okay, I am basically giving the same prompt and you can also see some pattern, but it's sort of like around the app. It's different from it's actually happening on here. As you can see from the prompt, I didn't give any color specific. I only say I want a light mode. Okay. And then here is the same. Can input the date. Okay. And I'll do it the same. And when I add the item again, I add eggs and radish. And then I want a 12 can of Coke. All right, same thing. I added the item before I go to the supermarket. And when I was there, then I can do like 99. Okay. And then the radish maybe 2.99 and the Coke 10.99 when it's on special. And it's add up here as well. And when you take that off, the only thing is the check, like the cross line is very like small. It depends on how long is your word. Like if it's longer, you can see it. If it's not, you can't. But that's all right. You can still take that off. Okay. And you can take that off. If you got that, you can take it off, right? Or you can delete. Once you delete, it will ask you whether you want to delete. I think this one might be a little bit extra. So, I mean, you can keep it there. But I think it's just one more step. Okay. Once I tick yes, it came off from the total price. Okay. So I find it's very useful. It's definitely helped me. In terms of the function, both worked very well. In terms of design, I personally prefer the one on Lovable. I think it's probably the color is very attractive. I don't need any pattern on the side because at the end of the day, I will use it on my mobile phone. On my mobile phone, you can only see this part. Okay, so and also the color, I think it's very refreshing and I like it. With Canva, nothing wrong with the Canva design. It's still very good in terms of the function. It's all right. Okay. And the pattern on the side, again, I'm going to use it on my mobile and I will probably only see the middle part. So with Canva, it's the same thing. Once you've got the link, you can actually put it on your mobile, save it, and then every time you can bring up the same page. So I don't know which one you like. Let me know in the comment below. And I am going to share these two versions inside my free community. So come in AI Creator Income Lab is free to join. Once you join, you get access to the apps. So let me know what you think about the two apps. If you like what I share today, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video.